Hey guys, so you can see I'm dressed up in some medieval or Renaissance clothes, and that's not just because this is the way I dress all the time, but I am at pennsic, which is number 52 this year, and it's one of the largest SCA battles that you'll ever see. So definitely check out the playlist that I have for pennsic, and if you want to see medieval sword fighting, arts and sciences and all of that stuff, definitely check out that playlist. But I didn't want to forget those who came to my channel for the van. So we're going to do a van walkthrough. It's not completely done, but I did want to give an update of where we are on this van. So it's been a while since I've done a walkthrough. We have the beds in with memory foam mattresses. I've started the shiplap on one side. We have hot water in the sink and also a shower in the back, which you'll see in just a minute. I've also installed this window frame, which is pretty amazing because it has a built-in shade and bug screen. I've also been hard at work building these upper cabinets and the door fronts. You can also see how the shiplap looks, and I'm very impressed with it. I can't wait to finish the rest of the van. I haven't had time to finish the inside shower, but I did want one for this event. So it has been a game changer to have an outside shower. Since this is a week-long event, I can take nice hot showers each day. We've been pretty happy with the 5-gallon water heater, and the water pump gives out good water pressure. At this event, we didn't want to spend a lot of time cooking, so it's been nice having a refrigerator and microwave. For cooking, we brought both a butane stove and an induction cooktop. I was happy we brought both of them because we had a few problems with the butane stove. The induction cooktop, I was anticipating using a lot of battery life, but in reality, I had plenty. I only brought it down like 2 or 3% cooking breakfast each day. For power, I have a 280 amp hour lithium ion battery with 400 watts of solar, and it's been great for this trip. The cool thing about having this van is the places you can go and the experiences that you can have. I'll show you a couple of videos of the event we're at right now, pennsic 52 in Pennsylvania. As we get closer to finishing our van, be sure to hit like and subscribe to follow our journey as we go to different adventures around the country.